In this video, you're going to learn how to clear your search history on TikTok. So here we are in TikTok. And as you can see, if we go to our homepage here and go to search, we can see the recent things that we've searched for here, and there'll be an X right here next to each search that if we tap on that X, you can see that it will automatically remove that individual search, but it doesn't completely remove it. So what you need to do is go to your profile. So here under profile, tap on the three lines in the upper right-hand corner, and then go to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, go down to the content and display section here. And then once you're there, you'll go to the activity center, which will be about 3 or 4 down. And then under activity center, you'll go to search history, tap into search history, and then you're going to see all of your recent search histories here. And you can scroll down and see all the ones way back even. And in order to delete all of them, you would go to the select button in the upper right hand corner and then go to select all search history at the very bottom. Tap that circle there. It will then check all of your searches and then go to delete all. As you can see, it will delete search history from the past 180 days, which is as far back as TikTok keeps it. And then go ahead and tap delete. And then as you can see, the search history has been deleted and you have no search history. And if we go back to our homepage here and we begin a search like so, you'll see there'll be no searches at the very top. These that you're seeing here are just trending. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.